Welcome to this video about how to easily create a reel in PowerPoint with only one image. I'm going to show you how to create this reel in PowerPoint from only one image. In another video I will show you how to create this reel in an ordinary video editor such as DaVinci Resolve or CapCut or Shotcut, and I will link to that video below. But in this video I will show you how to quickly create this reel in PowerPoint, and this is useful knowledge maybe if you have taken photos and you want to create reels from them, or maybe you have a social media marketing service and you only get images or photos from your clients. So then you can quickly create reels like this one or similar reels or even better reels than this one using the skills I'm going to teach you in this video. So let's jump into it. First open PowerPoint and then go to Design and change the image dimensions to a width of 1080 and a height of 1920. And then import the image you are going to use and adjust the size and position so that your first frame looks like what you want it to look like. Then duplicate the first slide. And on the next slide, drag in a corner of the image to make it larger if you want to zoom in, or to make it smaller if you want to zoom out. And also move the image so that you can zoom in or zoom out and move within the image as well. And then duplicate the second slide and move it again and zoom in or zoom out by dragging in one of the corners of the image. And now continue to duplicate your latest slide and move and zoom in and zoom out on the image so that you get as many movements in your video as you want to have. Once you're happy with the result, I want you to go back to the first slide and duplicate it and move it till the end, because this way you can create an eternal reel that will seamlessly continue from the beginning again, and that way you can get more watch time. And now, this is a very important step. Now we must add morph transitions to all slides except for the first slide. So here I'm adding morph transitions to all slides, and then I'm deleting the morph effect on the first slide. After that, you can adjust the time of all transitions. So look at what the movements and transitions will look like and adjust the time so that the timings of the transitions fit the content of your image. And here you can add some music to your reel like this. And after that, just go to record and then export. And this is what the reel we just have created will look like.